they do a great job all year round, making sure that folks who are in need are able to get the kind of nutritious meals that are so important to families. And so we very much appreciate them, and we appreciate Martha's Table. And I remember times where my mom had to take some food stamps to make sure that we had enough nutritious food in the house. And I know what she went through.
It keeps you hydrated. It's nutritious. Your body needs the water to stay moving, especially on hot days like today.